Hey guys, today we're getting right into breakfast because I was starving. Lately I've been so hungry, it's been waking me up out of my sleep. And it's not like I don't eat. Y'all know I'm in the kitchen all day, so I'm always snacking on something. Maybe I'm just greedy, but to combat that, I'm whipping up a tasty egg white scramble. First thing I do is cook the turkey bacon. I like to make it in the microwave to avoid excessive grease. Just layer it between some paper towels to absorb the grease while it cooks. It's quick and easy and it keeps the meal light. Turkey bacon is my go-to because it's lower in fat and calories compared to regular bacon, and it's still very delicious and has great flavor. What are your favorite breakfast meats? Do you guys prefer turkey bacon or regular bacon, maybe sausage or something else? Let me know in the comments. I love to hear you guys' favorites. While the bacon is cooking, I start preparing my peppers. Today I'm making a pepper sauce from jalapenos and bell peppers grown in my husband's garden. And that's garden with a Y. If you know, you know. Or check it out on Google. Indoor hydroponics make it easy to have fresh produce all year round, and it's been great for impromptu meals between grocery visits. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more. I'm going to sear the peppers in coconut oil for a few minutes to enhance their flavor before blending them into a sauce. This step really brings out the heat and the sweetness of the peppers, so definitely don't skip. Once the peppers are done to your liking, you can go ahead and add them to a blender cup like I'm doing here. Using a blender cup helps ensure a smooth sauce without any chunks. I like to then add a little olive oil for extra silky texture. Olive oil is a great add because it's rich in saturated fats, which are good for reducing inflammation, and they promote heart health. Okay, so next I'm going to pan sear onions and tomatoes. I prefer to use grape tomatoes because they are less likely to release juice and stick to the pan, but you can use any tomatoes that you have. Adding an acidic veggie like tomatoes helps balance flavor and adds a bit of vitamin C, which is important when thinking of immune functionality as well as absorption of iron. And speaking of iron, we cannot forget our greens. Today it's kale and spinach. Y'all know y'all need to eat these. Kale and spinach are high in iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout your body and maintaining healthy blood cells. For those who have anemia, just a few servings of greens a day can significantly reduce symptoms like fatigue and drowsiness. Take my word for it. Whether it's kale, spinach, or your favorite leafy greens, they're not just essential to your health, they're versatile and delicious. You can add them to omelets, salads. I even drop them in smoothies for a nutrient boost. Your body will thank you. Now I'm adding the turkey bacon. See, no grease. I just tear it up and toss it in almost like a stir fry. It's simple and it's a great way to incorporate the flavor of the turkey bacon into the dish. It saves you adding any extra salt as well. See, it already looks delicious and there's no egg in there yet. For the egg, I'm using good old egg whites from my local grocery store, but you feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Egg whites work great for me because they allow my eggs to stretch further and they're lower in calories, lower in cholesterol, compared to whole eggs. Plus, egg whites are packed with protein, so they make every meal nutritious. Important. Because these are egg whites, you'll want to add some butter or oil. I chose butter, but only a small amount just to keep it from sticking to the pan too much. Once the eggs seem firm, you can go ahead and add your favorite seasoning. I'm going with a dash of garlic pepper salt combo that I get from Costco. Again, you use what you like, use what you have, don't go crazy making breakfast. And that's pretty much it. This is a quick, simple, and heart-healthy, nutrient-packed breakfast. The final step is adding a dollop of the pepper sauce for additional flavor. Y'all see that looks good. I like to eat this as is, but if you're needing extra carbs in the morning, especially that energy, you can pair it with a multi-grain toast or oatmeal. Check out my oatmeal video. This was absolutely delicious. and I always feel full and satisfied after a morning start like this. This is also a great meal for kids as well. My daughter is here making herself a plate. She loves these meals and always wants to pitch in. I also love encouraging her to eat healthier, especially eating her veggies. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and experiment with your flavors and seasonings. Whether you're cooking with yourself or your family, it's always fun to customize your flavors to your liking. Thank you again for joining us here at the Nest Life crew. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to share this recipe with your friends and family. Until next time.